Good morning, lazy rabbit family. It's 7 o'clock. Time to wake up.
I'm up. I'm up. Let's go. Let's go.
Good morning. Hello, friends.
Flash is very fast today. Zoomy is happy. But where is Lazy? Come on, Lazy. Don't be a sleepyhead.
5 more minutes. Please. Okay. I'm awake. Good morning, everyone. Let's go to the bathroom. Let's wash our faces and brush our teeth.
Yes, let's go.
First, we brush our teeth. Up and down, left and right.
Look at me. I'm a bubble monster. 1, 2, 3. My teeth are white and clean.
Is it breakfast time yet?
Breakfast is ready, my little bunnies. Yummy porridge for everyone.
Yummy. Yummy. Thank you, Mommy.
So warm. So cozy.
Eat up, lazy. We have a big day ahead.
Now, let's put on our clothes. Coats on, hats on, scarves on.
I'm the fastest at dressing up. Done. And where are my mittens? I have my hat. I have my coat, but no mittens. Faster, brothers. Adventures are waiting.
Don't worry, bunnies.
And here are my mittens. Silly me.
The lazy rabbit family is ready. Great job, everyone.
We are ready for adventures.
Hey, ask your mommy and daddy to subscribe.
Yes, don't miss our new stories. Subscribe now.
Bye-bye. See you soon.